inspired ka na, right? You're tracking your income and expenses, you're creating your budget, tapos nag-aim ka na mag-double yung income mo kasi nakita mo na dapat double yung kinikita natin sa budget natin, di ba? You're so inspired to find other ways pero hindi pa rin kumikita, right? Parang na-frustrate ka. Sinasabi mo na, Doc, yung 4 hours na binibigay ko for that extra income, wala pa rin income pumapasok. Did you know that in business, 10:1 yan? Sa 10 negosyo na papasukan mo, isa lang yung magsasucceed. So, kung nakaisa or dalawa ka, tapos hindi nag-succeed, okay lang yan. Meron ka pang 8 chances to winning. So, just keep at it. Again, ano yung sinabi ko in the previous session, mahirap talaga yan sa una because lalabanan ka ng unconscious mind kasi sanay yung unconscious mind sa dati mong ginagawa. But mas malaki kaya yung ambition mo, di ba? Your dream is so big, your ambition is so big, and will you allow your unconscious mind yourself to stop you from achieving the life that you deserve? Baka you're just one step away from that breakthrough and dahil sa'yo, you will be 10 steps away na naman. Kasi sinabotahe mo yung sarili mo kasi feeling mo ang hirap-hirap. Pero in fact, kung you push further, you will be achieving your goals just one step away from that one. That's also important that you need to also find mentors. You need to align with people so that alam mo rin yung journey of those people who are successful in their life. That's also the reason there. If you're experiencing some failures in your life in the context of business or investment, okay lang yan. Push past it. Keep leveling up. Keep learning. Ano yung mga skills na kulang ka? So, nagnegosyo ka, nag-fail yung business mo, ano yung kailangan mong matutunan dyan? Baka wala kang sales skills. Baka wala kang tamang mindset. Now, you know what's missing right now in your life or in your mind, then maghanap ka ng paraan para ma-equip mo yung sarili mo. Because success is an internal game. Wealth, abundance is an internal game. And yung tao na tatalo sa'yo, walang iba kundi sarili mo. All those self-doubts, all those programs that are running your mind right now, those are the ones that will defeat you and prevent you from being successful. The question here, if kaya ng ibang tao umasenso, bakit hindi ikaw? You just need to make that choice, make that decision, and start transforming your life.